Hi friends, how are you guys? It's Miss Lan. We're gonna do some learning today. Today we're gonna do some math work. Before we get ready to do our lesson, I have another warm-up math riddle for you. Are you ready? I'm gonna read it to you, see if you can figure out the answer while I'm reading it to you. Here I go. I am a shape. Okay, think about all those shapes you know. Circles, squares, rectangles, triangles, hexagons. I have 4 sides. Think about what shape has 4 sides. I know a couple shapes that have 4 sides. Let's read on. All my sides are the same length. Remember, we used that vocabulary word when we were doing our unit on measurement. Remember length, right? It's how long something is. So they're the same length. What shape am I? Think about it. See if you can figure it out. Write it down, draw me a picture, send it to me. Okay, I can't wait to hear your answers. Guess what, boys and girls? We are moving on to our next chapter in math. We finished sorting and now we're gonna move on to position. Position is where something is located. I have some vocabulary words I want to go over with you first, okay? And I have some friends to help me today. Are you ready? Look, here's Little Bunny. And here's Big Bunny. So Little Bunny and Big Bunny are going to help me with my position words. Are you ready? All right, here is the first one. The first word is above. Above. In this picture, the butterfly is above the flowers. Let me show you here, okay? In this example, Little Bunny is above Big Bunny. Do you see how he's above? Okay, here's our next one. Below. Below. In this picture, it looks like, right, the ladybug is below the flowers. Let's look at Little Bunny and Big Bunny. Now look, Little Bunny is below Big Bunny. See how he's under him? He's below. Let's look at our next word. In front of. In front of. Let's look at the picture. The fish is in front of the grass. Let's look at Little Bunny and Big Bunny. Big Bunny is in front of Little Bunny. See Little Bunny back here? He's in front of him. All right, let's look at our next word. Beside. Beside. If something is beside, it is next to. The pig is beside the barn. Let's look at our bunnies. We can say Little Bunny is beside Big Bunny. Okay. Behind. Behind. The fish is behind the grass. Big Bunny is behind Little Bunny. See how he's behind him? Good job. Here's our last vocabulary word. Next to. Next to. The bird is next to the nest. Big Bunny is next to Little Bunny. Right? Next to sort of means it's right, this like the same thing as beside. Next to and beside. All right, our bunnies are going to be hopping along. Thanks guys for helping us with those words. All right, so are you ready? Let's do some work up here on our board. Okay, so I have some shapes. So for the first one, look at my first square. I have a triangle and I have a circle. I want to circle the shape that is above. So today we're just strictly gonna work with above and below. All the other vocabulary words that we talked about, we'll get to them in the next lesson. Let's just focus today on above and below. So I wanna circle the triangle because it is above the circle. I want to circle the shape that is above. So I am going to circle the triangle because the triangle is above the circle. Let's look at our next box here. I have 2 circles and 2 triangles. This time I want to circle the shapes that are below. What 2 shapes am I going to circle? Yes, the triangles are below the circles. So I'm circling the triangles because they are below. All right, look at our next one, boys and girls. Can you circle the rectangle? Can you circle the rectangle? Oh, yeah, this is the rectangle. What shape is this? Do you know what shape that is? Yes, that is called a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. So how would I describe this? Yes, I would say the rectangle is above the hexagon. Good job, guys. All right, let's look at the next one. Can you circle the circles? Circle the circles. Okay. How many circles do you see? 1, 2, 3. Good job. What shapes are up here? Yes, squares. How many? 1, 2, 3. So how would I describe this position? How would I describe the circles in relation to the squares? Yes, the circles are below the squares. Good job. All right, let's look at our last box. Can you circle the shapes that are below the hearts? Circle the shapes that are below the hearts. Good job, friends. Were you saying the triangles too? I thought so. So the triangles, the 3 triangles are below my 2 hearts. Great job, friends. Kiss your brains for being smart. All right, I have another little activity down here. I have a little picture of a house and an apple tree. I'm gonna say to draw a picture. Parents, you can do this at home. Right? You can draw a picture of a house and a tree and give directions on above and below. So for instance, I'm gonna say, can you draw a sun above the house? Yes, so you would draw a sun right on top of, right, above the house. Can you draw a rock below the house? Right, here's my rock, right? Below the house. Good job, friends. You guys are really getting this. All right, can you draw an apple below the tree? So maybe an apple fell off over here, right? The apple is below the tree. Can you draw a cloud above the tree? Here is my cloud. Good job, friends. You guys are doing really good. You guys really got this above and below. So attached to this lesson, I'm gonna put some math worksheets so you can practice above and below. But parents at home, you can find objects and even just practice it. Get 2 objects and maybe say to your kids, just like I had with Little Bunny and Big Bunny, Can you put little bunny above big bunny? Right? Can you put little bunny below big bunny? You can practice things like that too. Remember, you don't have to print out the sheets that I attach, okay? Just do the best that you can. I know some people are writing right on the sheets and then sending them to me, or just taking a picture of work that they did. Or if you do things that with objects that are tangible, maybe just send me a message and tell me what you did. That's great too. As long as you're growing your brains, you guys are doing great. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for continuing to do all your hard work. Bye, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.